Hey, I'm OA Dev, and today we're going to be creating this color picker using React Pick Color and Next.js. I've already created a project and using Next.js and Tailwind. So I'm going to start off with this. So to start off, we want to install the package. Do this up over here. Oh, that's not where we want to put it. I want to put it in here. Install this, and as that's happening, I'm just going to copy the code they provided to us. So they give us import React use state and color picker right here. And they give us a state that we can already use, which will be this. And we could just copy this code right here. Now, most of the work's already done, but we can make it a little bit better. So what I will do is I'll put this within its own container. We'll make this main, put this in here, class name, flex column, and we want to place this within the middle. So center, oh no. Oh, first I also want to make the height the size of the screen. And I'm going to add a class name to this, which will be MX Auto. Now we have this placed in the center, but how do we change the background color of all of this? So with Tailwind, we can't have dynamic colors. Like I can't just put it in here. So we have to do is style and add another curly bracket in here, background color. And in this case, we want it to be the color that we have set. Oh, did I put too many? Yeah, I believe I did. Then here we go. If we want to add more to it, we could add the text that we had previously. And this could just be color. And we add this to the, ooh, that's not what I wanted. Last name to the center. So text center. And add some padding to it. So in this case, I want it to be PX6 and PY2. And the background of this, I want it to be black, but also transparent. So after we can see what's going on in the back of this, it's not just one solid color like this. Oh, that's not what I intended. But we'll fix that in a moment. Here, with 520 and MX Auto. Add some margin to the top and the bottom. We'll make that 4. And we want to round all of this. We're going to make this into a pill, so round full. Border and border. In this case, I'm going to make it gray. And gray 600. And also, I want the text to be white. Text, white. Perfect. And the button that we showed earlier, which the button that said alert, alert the color. And actually I should take all of these here. I'm going to take all of this here, change the width to 64, and make this MY2 so it's a bit closer. And actually, I'm trying to remove it all. And I want the background of this to be solid. And the font, should I set it to semi-bold? But now we have to add an action onto here. So on click, set this to this, and alert. Now we can alert what color it is. So the color is color space, and the color is that. Actually, yeah, we don't need this here anymore. Or wait, you know what? Should I put it there? Put an exclamation point, and then we keep moving. So if we press this button, boom, it pops up. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.